In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of maintaining a support video library on YouTube for your company. You'll learn how diverting live support volume with targeted videos can lead to significant cost savings and improved customer experience. The goal of this video series is to teach you how to enhance customer satisfaction and reduce churn with YouTube support videos. Let's dive in. Let's start by talking about the reasons to maintain a video library for support. By focusing on your top contact drivers, you can significantly reduce the volume of live support requests. This not only eases the burden on your support team, but also results in substantial cost savings. Second, video production costs are minimal, and a single well-made video can prevent hundreds or even thousands of calls. For example, as an enterprise-sized corporation, we were able to save over $250,000 per month by using our video library to deflect calls. Third, video has become ubiquitous across the internet and is now an expected offering for most users. When talking about support guides, customers are more likely to associate that content with videos than with written tutorials. And lastly, providing a quality support experience makes your customers less likely to churn and more likely to purchase additional products or services. According to Zendesk's Global Customer Trust Study, 42% of customers worldwide would stop buying from a company with poor customer service. The next question you might be asked to answer is why you should leverage YouTube. Google is the #1 search engine, and YouTube is integrated directly into it, making your videos easily discoverable. Research shows that younger customers, especially Gen Z, prefer searching on Google for support rather than visiting company websites. This trend will only continue to grow as the workforce shifts to a younger generation. On top of that, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. By hosting your content on YouTube, you are utilizing the two largest search platforms, ensuring your videos have a broad reach. Lastly, YouTube offers various tools to help you distribute and syndicate your content across your website and support channels. Based on these facts, I have yet to identify another platform that would outperform YouTube for customer support content. Once you log into your account, you'll enter YouTube Studio, which is where you manage all aspects of your channel. The main sections you'll use are the dashboard. This provides a high-level overview of your channel. Content. Here you manage your videos and playlists. Analytics. This is where you track your video performance and metrics. And comments. This section allows you to manage and respond to comments on your videos. When managing support videos, you'll primarily operate within the content and analytics sections. We'll cover both of these in more detail in a later video. In the upcoming videos, we'll break down the anatomy of a YouTube channel, how to manage branding, setting up and optimizing SEO, organizing your channel and playlists, managing the customer journey, distributing your videos, individual video metrics, channel-level video metrics, and calculating the value and cost savings associated with your videos. Make sure you stay tuned to learn how to transform your customer support experience with an effective YouTube video library.